Welcome aboard! Today we dive into the world of one of Britain's most iconic express steam locomotives, the LMS Royal Scot Class. Join us on a journey from their 1927 debut to their rebirth in preservation, as we explore the legacy of a locomotive that helped shape Britain's railway golden age. In the mid-1920s, the London, Midland and Scottish Railway, better known as the LMS, faced a growing problem. Its ageing fleet simply couldn't handle the heavier, faster passenger trains demanded on the West Coast Main Line. The answer came in 1927, the Royal Scot Class. Designed by Henry Fowler and built by the North British Locomotive Company in Glasgow, these were the LMS's first engines officially classified for express passenger work, earning a 6p power rating. They featured a 460 wheel arrangement, 3 cylinders, and a boiler pressure of 250 psi, delivering over 33,000 pounds of tractive effort. They were robust, powerful, and elegant. The engines were named after regiments and Scottish-themed titles, with the class leader being number 6100 Royal Scot. These locomotives soon became the pride of the LMS, running prestigious services such as the Royal Scot Express from London Euston to Glasgow Central. But the fame of the class wasn't confined to the UK. In 1933, number 6100, rebranded as 6152, the King's Dragoon Guardsman, was sent to North America to represent British engineering at the Century of Progress Exposition in Chicago. It toured the United States and Canada, covering more than 11,000 miles and attracting huge crowds wherever it went. Despite their success, the Royal Scots were not perfect. Their parallel boilers and design limitations made them harder to maintain as time went on. Enter William Stanier, the LMS's new Chief Mechanical Engineer. From 1943 onwards, Stanier initiated a major rebuild program. 70 of the original locomotives were completely overhauled, receiving new tapered boilers, improved drafting, stronger frames, and streamlined cabs. The rebuilt Scots were so significantly improved that they were reclassified as 7p locomotives. They could match, and in some cases outperform, the larger Pacifics on the network. These rebuilt engines served valiantly through World War II and into the nationalised British Railways era. But by the 1960s, steam was in retreat. Diesels and electrics were taking over, and the Royal Scots were gradually withdrawn from service between 1962 and 1965. Their era had come to an end, or so it seemed. Today, 2 Royal Scot Class locomotives have been preserved, 46100 Royal Scot and 46115 Scots Guardsman. Both were rebuilt versions, and both have returned to the main line, thrilling enthusiasts across the UK with their powerful presence and evocative sound. Royal Scot, after a period rusting away at Butlins holiday camp, was rescued and painstakingly restored. In recent years, it's once again stormed through the British countryside, just as it did nearly a century ago. The Royal Scot Class represents more than just steam and steel. It symbolises a moment in British railway history when ambition, engineering and national pride came together on the rails. Whether rebuilt or original, their legacy continues to inspire awe and admiration. Thanks for riding along with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more railway history, steam nostalgia and locomotive legends. Let us know in the comments which train you'd like us to feature next.